Alright, here we go. We're back. Cheese is bumping up good. Put bread. Fold it up here. Do a little crisp on the inside. What's going on, guys? Welcome to Griddle, Cook, Eat, and More. This is my YouTube channel, just created. It was formerly known as It Is What It Is Cooking, but someone took that when I was trying to figure out this YouTube stuff. So anyways, discovered that today, switched up the name. So anyways, this is going to be my first actual serious video. I've made some other funny videos and stupid stuff, but anyways, gonna do something serious, actual real cook here. So simple cook, but real. But anyways, what inspired me to get it going today was watching some of the other channels and the Hungry Hussy and Griddle guys, and then seen the deal for Bring On the Summer 2021. So make a hot dog video. So that's what I'm going to do today. So we're going to do a chopped cheese dog. So basically we're taking the good old Harlem sandwich there at the Bodegas, and then swapping out the burger. We're going to do some hot dog. We're going to do it on the Blackstone Griddle. So anyways, but basically live in St. Louis, Missouri, in the outer area of that. We're used to working in restaurants for a long time. I was a chef at a pretty nice Italian restaurant and cooked and done a lot of stuff, management and stuff like that. So got a background in food, like to cook, love the Blackstone Griddles. So anyway, so I'll probably do a lot of stuff on that, but I'll do other stuff too. So, but anyways, that's it. So brief description about me. Let's get this thing going on. So let's check out the ingredients. Alright, star of the show right here, some big quarter-pound hot dogs. Got these at Costco, pretty good hot dogs. So we got that. And then obviously we're going to have some shredded lettuce, some American cheese, got some mustard, mayonnaise and ketchup, and then for those mayonnaise people, it is Duke's mayonnaise. See a lot of people repping that on their videos. So anyways, and then other than that, got the bread, which I don't have out here, but let me grab the bread. Here's the bread. I got me a big old loaf of French bread, basically. Trying to find a better bread. It's hard to find in St. Louis. Want something with a little more chewy exterior, soft in the middle, but we'll throw this down on the griddle, get it crisped up real good, so it'll turn out all right. But anyway, so that's the last ingredient. So we're gonna head out to the griddle here, and then we'll get this cook going. Right, we're at the griddle. Let's get it going on. Sorry, I don't have a whole lot of cameras, so one-man show here. So anyways, the first thing I want to do, well, first off, got about a medium-high on the two burners to the left, and then I got a low on the right. And then I do want to get this bread crispened up a little bit, so let's throw it on here for now. A little steak weight on there, start getting that rolling. Use some of this butter oil that everybody talks about will kill us, so get that on there. Let's throw these dogs on. Going with 3 of them. Let's see how that does. Crank that up a little bit. So we're going to get that stuff going on, and we'll be back. Alrighty. Starting to get, I wanted to get them a little browned up first before we start going in the old chopping action. But that's what we're going to do now. We're going to get them chopped up here. So that is the next job. A little more difficult to do than a little more difficult to do than hamburger, obviously. We'll make it work. suckers don't want to cooperate. Got one down, man down. Definitely not the easiest thing. For sure. What I do like about this, man, you're going to get some good caramelization all over these hot dogs. Get them on here real good. Difficult part's getting them chopped up. But a little work, we'll get there. While we're at it, we're going to slap in a little seasoning. Got this stuff here. I get some from Charleston, some restaurant there. My sister got it for me, so kind of a spicy rub, so it's got a little heat to it, so it's pretty good. So, anyways, we'll kick it up a little bit with some of that on there. Looking good, looking good. Right, I think we're pretty good here. Let that brown up, crisp up, caramelize, do some flavor. Hit it with a little more Hanks on there. Get that going. Right. Looking good. Dog fired up. Get these suckers in line here. Probably could have went with 2 hot dogs, but wanted to make sure I had enough. Now it's time to get some cheese up on there. So we're going to hit it up with some American cheese. Looks like a couple slices will do. Right. Let that melt down, get real good. Alright, now it's time to... Oh, look at that. Look at that crisp on there. That's what we're talking about. Get a little more crisp on the bottom. Flip it open, get a little crisp on the inside. Be ready to go. Cheese is melting up good. We're working. Alright. Be right back. Alright, here we go. We're back. Cheese is melting up good. This bread. Fold it open here. Get a little crisp on the inside. Oh baby. Hot and steamy. Quick crisp there. Bad boys over. Right. Cut the heat here. I'm gonna grab me a little longer spatula. Alright. Get them crispy bits up on there. Oh yeah. Looking good, looking good. Alright, now it's time to hit up some condiments on there. We're going to hit it up with some ketchup. This old sucker right there. Alright. Good. The mayonnaise. Put it on there. Oh yeah. Do a little mustard. Nice. Put some shredded lettuce on top. That bad boy over. Oh, getting a little pesky. Look at that. All right. Now we're getting somewhere. Let's see the excess lettuce we don't need. Time to move these inside. Alright, see you inside. Alright, we're back. It wouldn't be a chopped cheese sandwich if you didn't wrap it up in a little wax wrap here. So let's get that taken care of. Probably need some bigger wax wraps, but this will do. Wrap that bad boy up with some foil. Alright, the second one's going. Alright, excellent. We got it set up there. It's now time to give it a little cut. Boys and girls, there you go. Chopped cheese. Dog style. Looks pretty good. I think it's time to give her a try. Alright, we're back. Now it's time to give it a try. Let me grab the sandwich. See that sucker looking real good. Real good right there. Let's unfold that sucker. Sorry if I'm stealing Todd Tobin's line, give it a try. I've heard it so many times watching them videos, but anyways, here we go. Wasn't sure how it was going to be, but I'm surprised. It's good, man. Really good. Crisp that bread up good, kind of the way I wanted. Got a crunch on the outside, soft in the middle. Good caramelization on the hot dog right there. Get those little bits, really good. All the condiments, a little kick from that seasoning. Other than that, I mean, chopped cheese, I know it looks like I put tomatoes on them a lot. I'm not a big tomato fan of my sandwiches, so that's why I opted out on it. But really, you can put whatever you want on there. So, but that is it, man. Time to eat here. First YouTube video doing the chopped cheese dog. Actually turned out pretty darn good. I've never had a real chopped cheese, or I haven't even made a chopped cheese, but definitely be making a chopped chease to try it out. So, but anyways, this came to me, you know what, chop up dog, put it in there. It's really good. You chop that up and, you know, caramelize that dog real good, almost like bacon, you know, until they change the profile of the dog. So pretty cool. But anyways, like the video, subscribe. I'll start getting some more content out, and then get better, because, you know, pretty much suck right now at it. So, but as I grow, get equipment, learn how to do stuff. So, but that's it. Like and subscribe if you don't mind. I'd appreciate it. I'd like to get a few followers on here. I got 7 right now. So, but now I was just putting stupid stuff up, and my friends watching. So, but anyways, you know, we'll actually do some real content on here. So, that's it. Griddle, cook, eat, and more. Peace.